Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So, children, as you all know, that today this is our online English language class, and we have started this week with a new chapter, that is chapter number 15, adverbs. Okay. Now, as you all know, that what are adverbs, children, I have explained it to you, and I have also given you book exercises. First of all, I have explained you all the book exercises, and then I have given you as assignment to complete it. So I hope, children, that you all have completed your 3 book exercises in your books itself. And those children who have not completed the book exercises, children, please make sure that you again and again watch the videos and listen to it carefully, and then start filling it in your books. Is that clear? Because this is very important topic which will help you through your lifetime, and language topics are such topics, children, that you have to understand them very carefully, and you have to do the exercises of these chapters of these topics very carefully, so that it will help you in your language, and it will help you also in your future also. Is that clear, children? So please make sure that you complete all your work on time, and you also make sure that you watch English language videos very uh, carefully, so that you will be able to understand each and every topic. Okay. And if there is any problem arising, if there is any problem in understanding the topics or anything, then you can message me, or you can come to school and you can ask me. Is that clear, children? So please, it's my request to you all that please watch the videos of English language very carefully, and understand the topics very carefully. Okay. Now, as you all know, that yesterday I gave you the exercise of adverbs, in which we have learnt one topic, okay, of adverbs. Like, first of all, we have learned the topic of how, okay, where the verbs, where we were just taking out the adverbs which were telling us how the verb is being done. Okay, how. And yesterday we have done where, कहाँ पर हुए हैं. Okay, now today we are going to do another topic. So for that you have to take out your basic English grammar and composition book, children, and then please turn to page number 44. Okay, as you can see, page number 44 here. Is that clear? Page number 44 given. Okay, so here we are going to study about the words that tell us when. कब. अभी तक हमने क्या पढ़ा था? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव लर्नड अबाउट द वर्ड्स दैट वर टेलिंग अस हाउ, कैसे. देन yesterday we have learned about the words that were telling us where, कहाँ पर हो रहा था. Okay, and now today we are going to study about the words that will tell us about when, कब हुआ था. Okay, so please make sure, children, that you listen to this topic very clearly and carefully. Okay, children. So should I start now? Okay. Now, when I'm starting this topic, make sure that you only concentrate on this video. Is that clear? Now, starting with today's topic, words that tell us when. यहाँ हमें वो adverbs के बारे में बात हो रही है जो हमें ये बताएंगे कि verbs कब हो रहा है. When. Okay, so look at the pictures and read the sentences given below. First sentence is I will come home soon. Now, here there are two people given in this picture. One is uncle and one is aunt. Okay, and you can see that this person is telling this lady that I will come home soon. मैं घर जल्दी आ जाऊंगा. Okay, so I will come. Come is your verb and soon is your adverb. Verb के लिए बता रहा है मैं कब आऊँगा, मैं जल्दी आऊँगा. Soon. Okay. So I hope you all have understood this. So in this way we have to take out the adverbs. Okay. Now come is a verb and soon is a adverb. Now coming to the second sentence. The children reached school early. Now reached is our verb and early is our adverb. अब इसमें हमें क्या बताया जा रहा है कि जो चिल्ड्रन है, बच्चे हैं, वो स्कूल जल्दी पहुंच गए हैं. ओके, so that means the children reached is your verb and early is your adverb. That means बच्चे कब पहुंचे? जल्दी पहुंचे. Clear? Now coming to the third sentence, we will play cricket tomorrow. Now play is our verb and tomorrow is our adverb. Why this is adverb? Because it is telling us that the verb will, when will the verb be done? It will be done tomorrow. What is the verb? Play. So when they will play cricket, they will play cricket tomorrow. Is that clear? कल खेलेंगे cricket. Is it clear? So tomorrow is your adverb. Now coming to the next sentence, number 4. Now go and work, please. So go is your verb and now is your adverb. Okay, now go and work, please. अभी जाओ और अपना काम करो. So जाने के लिए है verb go and now is the adverb which is telling that अभी जाना है. Okay, now coming to the fifth sentence, Miss Shah reached the station late. Reached, again reached is your verb and late is your adverb. Is that clear? Miss Shah कब पहुंची स्टेशन? लेट, जब ट्रेन निकल गई. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द सिक्स्थ सेंटेंस, लास्ट सेंटेंस, सनी एंड हिज फ्रेंड्स played football yesterday. Now played is your verb and yesterday is your adverb. Here we have used, in the third sentence we have used only play because we will play cricket tomorrow. Here we are talking about the future tense. हमें कल खेलना है. ओके, कल खेलने के लिए हमने प्ले यूज किया और कल खेल चुके, सो हमने ed लगा दिया. that will become played. So we Sunny and his friends played football yesterday. वो कल खेल चुके. Yesterday is for the day which has been passed. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this topic. In the sentences above, the words soon, early, tomorrow, now, late and yesterday show when the action is done. इन सारे वर्ड से हमें क्या पता चल रहा है कि जो हमारा एक्शन हुआ है, जो हमारा वर्ब है, वो कब हुआ है. Is that clear? So they are also called adverbs. These words are also called adverbs. Now, when will the man come? He will come soon. When did the children reach school? They reached early. When will the children play cricket? They will play tomorrow. When should the man go to work? He should go now. When did Miss Shah reach the station? She reached late. And when did Sunny and his friends played football? They played yesterday. Is that clear, children? So all these words are your adverbs. Is that clear? I hope you all have understood this topic. Now coming to the next exercise, that is the fifth exercise, and I hope you all will enjoy this exercise. Okay, I hope you all will give the answers on your own also, because you have I have made you understand the topic. Okay, so start writing with me. But before writing, please make sure that you listen to this video carefully. Listen to all the 25 sentences very carefully, and then you can do it on your own. Is that clear? Now, in this exercise, again what you have to do, that you have to read the sentence and you have to find out the adverbs, and then you have to write those adverbs here. Is that clear? Same exercise which we have done yesterday. Okay. Now, the first sentence is, grandfather goes to the temple daily. Grandfather temple कब जाते हैं? Goes to temple daily. So goes is your verb and daily is your adverb. So daily means कब जाते हैं? रोज जाते हैं. Daily. So daily is the word which is telling us that grandfather is going daily to the temple. Okay. He goes to the temple daily. This daily word is telling us that when is grandfather going? When is the grandfather going to the temple? Going daily. Okay, so here we will write daily. D-A-I-L-Y, daily. Now coming to the second sentence, mother will cook food now. Cook is your verb and now is your adverb. कब खाना बनाएंगी मम्मा? अभी. Okay, now. So we will write it here, N-O-W, now. Coming to the third sentence, I have heard this story before. Heard is the verb and when I have heard this story, कब मैंने सुनी है ये story? Before, पहले. So we will write before here. Before is our adverb. B-E-F-O-R-E, before. Coming to the fourth sentence, today she woke up late. आज she woke up late. कब उठी है? Late. So woke up. Now children, what is the adverb here? It is late because it is telling us that when she woke up late. So we will write L-A-T-E, late. Is it clear? Now coming to the fifth sentence, I wash the dishes daily. How I wash the dishes? When I wash the dishes daily. मैं रोज बर्तनों को धोती हूँ. So daily. We will write the answer daily. Adverb daily. Clear? Now coming to the sixth question, Mr. Gupta will return soon. So soon, return is our verb and soon is our adverb. So we will write here S-O-O-N, soon. Clear? Now coming to the seventh sentence, I will go there today. Go is our verb and today is our adverb. So we will write T-O-D-A-Y, today. Coming to the eighth sentence, he went to Bengaluru yesterday. Went is our verb and yesterday is our adverb. It is telling that when did he went to Bengaluru? He went yesterday. So we will write yesterday, Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y, yesterday. Okay. Now coming to the ninth sentence, the train arrived late. The train arrived late. When did the train arrived? Arrived is a verb and the adverb which is telling about when did the train arrive is late. So we will write L-A-T-E, late here. Coming to the 10th sentence, yesterday Savita was playing the guitar. When did Savita was playing with the guitar? Yesterday. Okay, so we will write yesterday here, Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y, yesterday. Coming to the 11th sentence, Mr. Sharma left for his office early. Now Mr. Sharma left. Left is a verb and early is our adverb. वो अपने ऑफिस के लिए कब गए? जल्दी. Early चले गए. E-A-R-L-Y, early. Coming to the 12th sentence, Mr. Bajaj will come back soon. Now when will Mr. Bajaj come? He will come back soon. So soon is our adverb. We will write it here again. Coming to the 13th question, we are going to Dehradun shortly. When we are going to Dehradun? Shortly. बहुत जल्दी. S-H-O-R-T-L-Y, shortly. Coming to the 14th sentence, please come soon. So when to come? Soon. Okay. So again we will write soon here. Then 15th sentence, this is the school where I was a student. This is the school. ये वो स्कूल है जहाँ पे मैं एक बार स्टूडेंट था, once. So once will be your adverb. It is telling when you were the student of the school. Okay, so once. 16th sentence, she hardly sings now. Now sings is your verb and what is it telling? That now she sings very less. She sings hardly, she sings now. So we will write N-O-W, now, here. Okay, now coming to the 17th sentence, I wake up early every day. When do I wake up? Early. Okay. So early is our adverb, E-A-R-L-Y, early. Coming to the 18th sentence, I am coming shortly. When I am coming? I am coming shortly. बहुत जल्दी, S-H-O-R-T-L-Y. Coming to the 19th sentence, what do you do after school hours? School के बाद आप क्या करते हो? After is our adverb, A-F-T-E-R. We will write it here. Coming to the 20th sentence, she is not feeling well. So not feeling well is our verb and today is our adverb. So we will write it here, T-O-D-A-Y, today. Coming to the 21st sentence, the magic show will begin now. Now when will the magic show begin? It will begin now. So now is our adverb. We will write it here. 22nd sentence, you must come early tomorrow. When should you come? Tomorrow. you must come early tomorrow. Okay, so here you can see early tomorrow will be your adverb EARLY, early, TOMORROW, tomorrow. You will write it here. Okay, now 23rd sentence, I bought a new dress recently. When did I bought a new dress? Recently. So we will write it here, RECENTLY, recently. Coming to the 24th sentence, Mary came out of the classroom after the school bell rang. जब स्कूल बेल रैंग हुई, बजी, तो उसके बाद मैरी अपनी क्लास के बाहर आई. So after is our adverb. We will write it here. And the last 25th sentence, we are going for dinner tonight. When we are going for dinner, we are going tonight. So we will write it here, TONIGHT, tonight. Is that clear, children? So I hope this exercise is very clear to you all, and I hope, children, that you will complete all these 25 sentences in your English language books, and make sure that you don't have to copy these sentences in your notebooks. Okay, आपको अपनी copy में नहीं करना. So make sure that you complete it in your textbook. And with this video I will be giving you an assignment, and in that assignment I will attach the picture of this page and you can write it from there. Is that clear, children? So till my next video, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.